Good evening. My name is Phil Disselcohen, Assistant Director at Broadway Family Karate. We're going to take a look at the X block low. Okay, so of course, when you do the X block, you want to have nice tight fists. Always want to have good hand shape. Thumbs and fingers folded down, thumbs across, fingers like that. Okay, so we do this in a front stance. So I'm going to get to a left front stance. Okay, good front stance. Front leg bent, back leg straight, nice wide, long, very stable stance. We do this, this is a good block defense against a knee kick or actually or a front snap kick. So it's a block where the kick is coming up and you're basically jamming the kick. So it's very effective in doing so. Okay, so you want to start with your hands, fists at your waist like so. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to come across and down, fist facing outward like so. So it's coming down and the fists are facing outward. Like so. Now, there's a tendency to want to lean into it because you're trying to get that block low. So in order to prevent from doing that, you need to actually extend your stance a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend my stance a little bit forward, and I'm going to come down, keeping my back straight. You don't want to lean over. So I'm going to start from here, and then shift forward, block. Okay, make sure your arms cross right about there. You don't want them too close. You don't want them way out here. You want them right about there. Okay, remember, the left leg's in front, right arms in front. Or left legs in front, left arms in front. So, let me demonstrate it a couple more times. And like so. Left leg in front, left arm in front. And let's go from the other side. Okay, good front stance. And I'm going to extend the stance, and then right leg in front, right arm in front. Ready? And 2. And 3. Okay, I'm going to have Mr. Booker assist me in demonstrating how this block works. Okay, so I'm going to get into a good right front stance. Okay, and he's just going to put the blocker right about there, and I'm going to come down onto the blocker like so. Okay, so I don't want to do this, lean into it, okay? So that's why you want to extend your stance a little bit. So, start here, and then like so. Keep my back straight. Okay, back to position. And 2. And 3. And 4. And 5. Okay, let me go from the other side. Left foot in front. Okay. And 1. And 2. And 3. And 4. And 5. Okay, thank you, Mr. Booker. Okay, so the thing we want to focus on is keeping your back straight. You don't want to have your head hanging out. Because that whoever you're defending against is going to kick you in the head, possibly. So you want to keep your back straight, extend your stance a little bit, come down, arms about that far apart. Nice tight fists, just like that. And that is the X block low.